Hello friends, I am Pauline from Meraki Design. I'm an interior designer and a stylist. Today I'm at Ace Divino and I would like to show you around a balcony space that we have styled for Ace. Summers are approaching and I thought let us do something for your balconies. So we are living in flats and apartments these days so much that sometimes we crave for that green corner for ourselves. So today I'm taking you on a journey through this balcony where you can plan the decor of your balcony with minimum space also, and you can think about how you can bring in that green oasis in your urban jungle. So let me show you some of the ideas for planters. We have a lot of pine planters here which are eco-friendly, and then you can see we have used the railing part of the balcony to maximize the space utilization, and then we have also planned for a vertical garden. So as much you have space on the floor, you can use your wall space as well. So create your garden vertically, have lot of plants hanging. You can have your creepers, and you can also think about doing something like a small vegetable garden also. So these days, you have so many options available that there is no dearth of having cute planters to functional planters, and the space is just apt for it. Let's see some of the plants that we have here in this balcony. There are many summer plants which are, very beautiful in summers. There are so many colors you have, and you have so many options for the flowering plants for summers and monsoons. You can go for petunia, zinnia, marigold. These all flowers are for summers. And then there are, plants which are greens, which are very low maintenance, like the spider, jade, and then you can go for syngonium, you can go for ZZ plants. These plants are very low maintenance, and they are, you can bring them in the rooms as well. So they don't need a lot of sunlight. So you can have your, these indoor plants which have low light requirements. Once you have decided what all you want to do with the planters in your balcony, you can always create a corner where you would like to sit, and in the evening or mornings with your cup of tea, a book in hand. So you have a reading corner. You can put a stool or a chair or a swing if you have that space. If nothing, then we can just simply lay a carpet and throw some cushions, and have your candles, your books along with your cup of tea. So a balcony will be a place where you can refresh, reconnect, and relax yourself. So decide how you want to do your balcony, and do let us know how you like this episode on our balcony decor, and we will be coming with more options in the next